Hi guys, and welcome back to My Global Ride Season 2. If you have watched the first episode, you know I am in Colombia, actually in the beautiful little village or town of Santa Marta on the Caribbean coast. And in this episode you see my adventures here. Welcome to Season 2 of My Global Ride. My name is Jörg. After I took you for a ride from Canada through the USA and Mexico to Central America in Season 1, follow me now on my adventures in the breathtaking landscapes of South America. I hope you enjoy. Good morning from the port of Santa Marta. Today I'm just a regular tourist and I'm doing a little boat tour. You can see the boat is coming right now. I think that's the one that we're going to sail with. It's a group of about 15 people, and let's have some fun today. Okay, we are on the boat. I think we're cruising to some nice beaches, have some lunch somewhere. So let's see what's happening. We are far above Santa Marta today. Still, I'm a regular tourist doing some tours. Today the tour is to Minca. This is Minca. It's the ecological paradise here above Santa Marta. And the tour we're doing today is through the jungle, seeing a lot of plants and birds, I assume. And there's one bird already with a tour guide. He's a funny guy. So I have a new friend. Look at that. And he's telling me a story. I just don't understand it. Wrong language. He tries to steal pens all the time. Okay, what we're seeing today is cacao plantages, coffee, a waterfall. We just started our tour and walking through the jungle. I already found a new friend from Brazil. Say hi to my folks.
Hey. Every bamboo is a branch, the fastest growing plant in the world. Grows up to 25 meters, then it stops.
It's a nest of a hummingbird.
I'm gonna look at the sizes.
See?
¿Ven? Un nido de colibrí.
Colibri nest.
a coffee bean. Arabica species. These are coffee beans, almost ready to get. Like this is how you collect the coffee. See? This coffee was brought to America by the Dutch people to Martinica during the 17th century, but native from Ethiopia, Africa. Arrived to Colombia by Maracaibo Lake, Venezuela. Coffee Arabica. Listo para ser fermentado. Presten atención, pay attention to this information. They are bitter. But if we want to drop the bitter flavor down, we fermentate it. We put all that here. Todo ese café tomorrow will be here. Agua, water. 5 days. The bacteria will eat the sweet. It's dulce, it's sweet. But not the beans. They are bitter, but the skin is sweet. After 5 days, I will use it here. And this machine will get the beans here. Look.
Wow.
Huh? See, just the beans. Ahora, el mucílago in the back. On the field, because it's gonna be future nutrients for the coffee. Before it rains, let's go to the other side. We need to separate quality 1 from quality 2 over there. How do I separate quality 1 from quality 2? Mira, calidad 2, calidad 1. Water. This quality 2 will flow. Quality 1 stays in the bottom. Quality 1 is the coffee that we could export, not quality 2. And we export it raw, not roasted. Roasted disappear the flavor in 3 months. But raw, the seed can last a year and a half. But Juan Valdez, for example, he used machines on this farm artisanal. Wood and a kitchen. Okay. Wood. 70 degrees cooking rice. Slow flame. Then 2 kilos of coffee. 25 minutes at least. Perfect for American coffee or tinto colombiano. But in my case, I like espresso. 35 minutes, 35 minutos, then my beans will get black, shiny. Perfect for espresso. Perfect. See, as long as you leave it on fire, less caffeine. But you must say, but espresso is stronger. But I can make 3 tintos with the same amount of coffee that I'm going to make espresso. Tinto is a lot of water. American coffee, a lot of water too. Pero espresso no, el espresso es poquita agua.
Stay with the birds here today. Look at that. I rarely saw some of these on trees, and here they are very interested in people. Look at them.
We are in the tropical rainforest. Rainforest, that's the name. So don't be surprised if it's raining, as you can see. Yeah, it's supposed to go on. And we wait it out a little bit, maybe it's getting less. But for sure we're going to get wet. It's just the way we should cross that river, and even the guide says that's dangerous. So and the river just took away the bridge. Right decision of this guy. Well done.
Well, after this experience, we had another plantation to watch for chocolate or cacao. Had a really good lunch in a jungle lodge and was watching the facilities that they built up there, all with bamboo. But the unforgettable highlight of this trip definitely was our adventure with the river.